Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add effects to your video in InShot 22.5. First, open the InShot app on your phone, tap on Video, then select the clip you want to edit from your gallery and import it into the timeline now. Look at the bottom editing toolbar and find the option called Effect. Tap on it. Here you'll see different categories of effects, such as Basic, Glitch, Vibrate, Shake, Film, and many more. Simply tap on an effect to preview how it looks on your video. If you like what you see, tap on it to apply it, then adjust it onto the exact part of your clip where you want it to play. You can also extend or shorten its duration by dragging the edges of the effect bar on the timeline. InShot Pro users have access to even more premium effects. So if you want extra creative options, you can check those out too. Once you're happy with your effect, just tap the check mark to apply it. Finally, go to the top right corner, tap Export, choose your resolution, save the video to your phone. And that's it. That's how you add effects in InShot 2025. For more tutorials just like this one, don't forget to check back here again.